Muzata's Deckgate DG01 is custom designed for Muzata cable railing systems. It completes the whole system and gives you a consistent look to your deck. The deck gate is made from aluminum material and provides excellent rust resistance, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects, even for coastal projects. It also automatically closes and locks the door, effectively protecting children and pets. Place all items as picture shown. Make sure pre-drilled holes of side gate tube G1 and side gate tube G2 match to self-closing hinge and lock holes. Fix the side gate tube G1 from the bottom holes of side gate tube G3 with M4.8 by 25 mm self-drilling screws. Do the same to fix the G2. Fix the bracket for deck gate to the G1 and G2 with M4.8 by 25 mm self-drilling screws. Use M5 by 16 mm countersunk bolts to fix the handrail to each bracket for deck gate. Tighten M5 by 12 mm hex bolts from the side of the post with M5 hex wrench to fix handrail to bracket. Install end caps on both sides of the handrail. Use M5 by 16 mm round head bolts to install the lock on the side gate tube G2. Loosen the tensioner. Pass adhesive washers through the wire rope. Tighten the tensioner with the Allen wrench and socket wrench. Stick the washer to G2 and install post hole cap on the other side of the G1. Follow the sequence to install other cable infillings. Mark the hole position on your post for installing the self-closing hinge. Place the hinge and mark the remaining holes. Mark the hole position on your post for installing the lower hinge. Place the hinge and mark the remaining holes. Use the punch to make an impression on the marked points of the two hinges, then tap and drill the holes with the M5 tap. Mark the range of horizontal holes on the post for installing the lock, then mark hole positions on your post. Use the punch to make an impression on the marked points, then tap and drill the holes with the M5 tap. Press and turn the self-closing hinge. Install the hinge to the pre-drilled holes on the front and sides of the G1 with M5 by 16 mm round head bolts. Fix the hinges to the front and side of the post with M5 by 16 mm round head bolts. Fix the lock to the post with M5 by 16 mm round head bolts. Use the screwdriver to press and turn the self-closing hinge. At Muzata, we also have professional design experts who can tailor the perfect design for your cable railing project. If you have any questions, the tech support team is always ready to help. As a leading home improvement brand, Muzata has been developing products for cable railing systems for over several decades. We offer a one-stop solution for home improvement, striving to make home renovation easier and better.
Muzata. Build an easy life.